Hello, I'm Chef Krista Van Wagner and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you on an adventure. I'm on my way out the door to forage ramps. 'Tis the season. You've got a few weeks, okay, a couple weeks. So I'm off today and I look forward to you joining me. And then we'll be back in the kitchen and we'll do some fun recipes. How's that sound? So let's get going. Let's get going. Let's go forage the woods for ramps, wild ramps. I can smell them already. Hello, I'm so excited. Welcome. We are on, well, it's secret, but it's public land, and we are foraging for ramps. Wild ramps. I can smell them already. I cannot wait. The recipes are spinning in my head, but the experience is foraging. This is what we're going to do today. This is more fun than buying them for the grocery, at the grocery for $17 a pound. So let's go get them. Come on. I'm so excited. Oh, there it is. Oh my God. It's the field of ramps. Wow. It's exactly what you said. Oh my gosh. Oh, just beautiful. Look at, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. This is a field of ramps, but I just want to get started. You have to start somewhere. So basically, what we're going to do is we're going to find a nice bunch. Right here is a nice bunch. I'm going to pull all that up. I want you to remove all of the leaves around and kind of open it up. All right, there. Now I can see the bulbs and the stems, and we're just going to gracefully pull them up, and then we'll shake off the dirt. But boy, you can see all those other sprouts that are coming up. And there, we're not disturbing anything. We're putting the dirt back. And I feel that I'm ramping with love. So here we are walking through the woods, and you're going to ask, like, how do I find the ramps? What do I look for? They're usually around creek beds, and they're in very rocky soil. So behind us is the creek, and this bed of ramps is all around us. And this is not normal. I don't usually run into a field of ramps, but you can actually just see it. Now, if you all of a sudden come upon the field of ramps like this, you want to know, are these the ramps that Krista was talking about? Well, it's simple. Go ahead and grab one of the leaves and you can just smell it. Think about a scallion, think about an onion, think about a leek, basically. So and when I'm picking them out of the soil, I'm very careful. I do use a spade, and I want this bulb part right here. A couple more weeks are going to be more developed and even bigger. That's when I'd make a soup with them. But this is the bulb. So I dig out the roots, and I usually find a bunch, and in the earth, and then I just loosen up the earth all the way around it. But there you go. There's a nice bulb of ramps. We're going to utilize both the bulbs and the leaves. So look at the purple stem. Notice that. All right. Notice the shape of the leaves. And like I said, as soon as you get in that field of ramps, just break off a piece. Oh, it's beautiful. It's just beautiful, the smells, and go foraging. Now you know what to look for. Look at that. So I'm going to take these home, clean them up, wrap them up, keep them moist, and I'll be cooking. And I don't know what I'm going to make because there's just so much you can do with something like this. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like me on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video where I'll be cooking these up. Ciao.